have to put down, and now Imo State they are claiming that land where the school, where they built that school. What can you say to this?
I say, okay, let me tell you, Hope Uzodimma is not meant well for the Imolites. Since inception of his administration, after Emeki Ihediola was displaced, I think the Imolites, people in Imo State, have been subjected to non-stopping, ceaseless insecurity, harassment by Nigerian security forces employed by Hope Uzodimma, Governor Hope Uzodimma himself. So he has not meant well for the state. Does not mean that all the communities that did not vote him should be expecting peace, joy, happiness all the time. No. The man we are talking about is holding Imo State on gunpoint. All the military operations in the southeastern in Nigeria, they were all orchestrated by Hope Uzodimma himself. Nothing good shall come from him. This community is lamenting that Hope pulled down the only school they have in their community, Omoba community. See, let me tell you, the man is as adamant as stone. A non-living thing. No matter how you cry, this is a man I know that was a duper before, international duper, translated to 419 in Nigeria. Obtaining with what? By false pretense. That is it. That was who he is. They are heartless people. Advanced 3-4 star as a governor will have done more than that, because they don't have iotas of what? Conscience. Conscience is an open wound. It's only those that have it that behave normal as human beings. But in a society whereby 419 has been epitomized, institutionalized, like our society, I think such people could not be allowed to handle any public office. But in Nigeria, when you are a good 419er, you can dribble well like Maradona. They will give you public positions to manage. This is a country where morality has been rubbished by all manner of immoral activities. Look at Hope Uzodimma. Whoever tells him that he will become a governor in his life, he will never agree. Because of all his excesses, shortcomings, wicked activities during Buhari first regime of 1984 to 1985. All his hostilities, wicked activities during Babangida's regime from 1985 to 1993. All the activities of Hope Uzodimma, when Abacha was Nigerian president, he used to be a government mercenaries. Anytime federal government of Nigeria want to do dirty job in the southeastern Nigeria, they will employ Hope Uzodimma to do that, and they will pay him. So come what may, Hope's position as a governor of Imo State is a big mistake, a tragedy of error, very, very bad omission. The federal government, the axis of Fulani hegemony, has done so far in recent times to make sure that they capture their worst opposition in West Africa, the Igbo tribe. They use Hope Uzodimma as an agent, and you can see what is going on now. He's delivering for the Fulani hegemonies. He's having tough time dealing with his Igbo kinsmen. Igbo man has proven that he's impregnable, invincible in the recent time. I hope he's trying to outsmart him. But I tell you, it's not going to be possible. A secondary or primary school destroyed will still, in the future, be built again. I'm just trying to remind the communities whose schools were, bulldozed down by Hope Uzodimma's administration to be patient. Someone else is coming. He might be a good man. He's going to rebuild it. Relax. Weep not. This community, I'm just charging you. Weep not. Someone else is coming to amend the damages caused by this iconic barbarian. A man that has turned against his kinsmen. His name by Uzodimma. I tell you, it is not all. Something is going to happen very soon. I think your hope will be revitalized by someone that might come to relinquish that position from him. APC is not going to last in Imo State. Hands up for APC. At least what happened in Abia State is a monumental lesson. Every political juggernaut in the west, in the north, east and south should learn from. No one ever knows that Electoral is a lawyer, a banker that is going to manage the affairs of Abia State. When the likes of this Ibore man, Ibere Fulani man, Ibere Hausa man, called Uzodimma, has rubbished that state for over 24 years. Abia State has never breathed fresh oxygen. But today you can see what is happening in Abia State. The kind of development that enveloped that state is so wide, running faster like wildfire. See, Abia State is working because of Labour Party. If not, Imo, your redemption, your redeem, your redeemer is coming. Forget about Hope Uzodimma.
But some will say that I think Uzodimma is trying to carry out his paymaster Fulanis. The Boko Haram and the Fulanis are against Western education. Some will say, is he trying to deprive the indigenes of going to school, getting the Western education? Is that what he's trying to implement?
That is Fulani's agenda. Hope started from where the like of Okorocha stopped. Okorocha did well in his first tenure. He used that as a common balance to manipulate the Imolite. On his second tenure, Okorocha turns to leopard. He turns to leopard because the Imolite they suffered under the second tenure of Okorocha to the level that he has built a colossal mosque at Igbo State Government House. I listen to me. So they say no to Western education. That is Fulani agenda. That is Boko Haram agenda and the banditry. These are people that were imported over from Sahel countries. No to Western education, and hope Uzodimma has started to execute to make sure that that doctrine, ideology is kept alive. So pulling down school structures. How does it define Hope Uzodimma? It defines Hope Uzodimma as an errand boy to his Fulani masters. He's trying to fulfill the agreement he had with them. So pulling down schools, meaning sealing the agreement. Hope Uzodimma on rampage, a lion unchained by his works, collaborators, Northern Fulani collaborators in the north. So Hope is running wild, running agog in the southeastern state of Imo. See, let me tell you, if not Imo communities, your redemption has come. Someone must surely take after him.
But do you not think that if maybe he wants to renovate, but if he's to renovate, he would have come out openly and tell them that okay, he wants to work on this in the school, just to maybe do some works in the school.
No, there's nothing like renovation. No, nobody voted the Hope Uzodimma. No community in Imo State. They all turned their back at APC because APC promised Imo, the Imo light hell. That was during the first tenure. Comes the second tenure, all of them they work hand in hand, disenfranchise the whole communities in Imo State to the level that baffled humanity and the electoral philosophers. They have never seen such before. A situation whereby one party has won virtually the whole local government in a state. What a superstition. It was a fictitious result that they brought out and announced in Imo State. APC did not win anywhere in Imo State. So pulling down the structures, school structures, is a true definition. Why didn't these people vote for me? I'm gonna show them. He is trying to verge his anger on these Imolites for not voting him this second tenure.
Okay, thank you.
What the former security officer of Nigeria said is true. Former DSS, one of the top brass, said is true. Because I, Mr. Paradeni Okokondem, I can be able to tell you the little history of these people in Nigeria. What the man said that Buhari brought them in is true. But Buhari is not the first person that brought them in Nigeria. Now, this thing started even from the time of British colonization of Nigeria. There was a time when northern Nigerian Fulani started destroying British president there. Then, when the war will happen, they will went and call their brothers in Sahara desert to come and join hands. This was the way they won Hausas. When Usman Dafon, they start fighting with the Hausas. Not only Usman Fulani that followed Usman Fodio enter north fought. Usman Fodio went all over the Sahel. Whether their people, they fought until they outnumbered the Hausas. Because Usman Fodio told them that Nigeria is very weak, very soft. Let us conquer them and use their land as their own territory. Then from there, war enter. When the Biafra Nigerian war came up, Gowon with British went and convinced these people and brought them in. They came and fight in the name of Nigeria. They fought. Even Britain went to Arab world and told them that the war was between Christians and Muslims. Not a political war or tribal war, but it's a religious war between Christians and Muslims. They should not allow Christians to win Muslim in Nigeria. That will be the end of it in Africa. So all these people came in and they were promised by the one government that if they conquer Biafrans, they wipe them off and give them their land to occupy. When the war ends, no victor, no vanquish. Then Biafra have to return back to Nigeria. These people asked Gowon what happened. Gowon sent them away. Gowon sent them away. The one that refused to go, they include them into Nigerian army. And without number, you know, when you enter army, they give you number without any formal rolling in to calm them down. They were there eating more salary. And those of them that know how to read and write in Arabic language or fought so bravely, none of them grow more than captain in Nigerian army. And when you reach captain, you'll be there and retired. They call them Biafran soldiers. Maybe they mention Biafran soldiers in Nigerian army that did not settle after their retirement. And maybe you hear Biafran soldiers or Biafran war soldiers. You know that they are referring to these people. That's their nickname. They are referring to them. And most of them did not go again. They born their children here, settle here, and die here. Now, this second time again, you want to employ them again. They come for the second time and bring fear and terror to Nigerians. Buhari won as he won. Now, you are telling them to go back again. You have taught them lesson for the first time. Second, they still want to taught them lesson. That's why they refuse to go. They carry gun, become bandits. That's why they refuse to go. So that's what the chief army staff say. They are the one that created the problem of Nigeria. The North. Buhari, APC, including the president. Because all of them were in collusion. APC, ACN, and ANPP, and CPC.
They join forces together.
That was
Buhari's party. Yeah.
And bring APC. Forget about this Rogers. A free Igbo people that join APC. The name of politics. Don't know the secret of APC is to destroy them. The agenda of APC is to destroy those animals. All Igbo people that join APC. They don't know. So these three parties came together and brought APC. Yes, APC.
Yeah.
The rebirth or renew of Northern People Congress. This is NPC. Northern People Congress. This is APC. You understand? Now, why is this APC? All People Congress. Because West have joined them. You have seen? So all of them bring with hand and bring these people in with the hope that Jonathan will raise his head up, say the election was rigged. You know that 2015 was rigged. because there's evidence, even underage, 15, 14 children, years children, went to vote. They ask them, they stand there for their parents is coming. All of them vote against PDP Jonathan. And the NPDP, you see how God is working. All of them that they come from PDP and say they are NPDP, new PDP, and joined APC. Where are they now? They killed their political career. Where are they now? These people went and bring this mayhem to Nigerians. After the election, these people refused to go because they have taught them lesson in Biafran war, how they use them in Biafran war and dump them. And this time around, after the election, want to dump them. They say no. This is why they say no. Carry on, and they cannot do anything again than to be playing pali with them. Now they turn it to Fulani herders and farmers clash, bandits. Have you seen it? Boko Haram have been there before bandits. Because Boko Haram started in the time of Obasanjo, but they managed to cover it up, to seal it up, put it under the chair.
They now came out fully under good luck.
Then they come up openly under good luck. Then before Fulani helps, and you will see that the Fulani helpsmen are more dangerous than Boko Haram. Because Boko Haram concentrates only in Northeast, asking for their own republic. The Fulani spread all over Nigeria, spread all over West Africa. Fulani helpsmen. They tried they did it in Burkina Faso, they did it in Ghana, they did it in Mali, and they were crushing them off. So they went and beat it. To the extent, El-Rufai himself, the ex-governor of Kaduna State, there was a time they said they divided. El-Rufai is ruling one side. Bandit or Fulani herdsmen or terrorists, whatever you call them, are ruling the other side. To the extent, Emelife, that's why God will continue to start Emelife. They request 1.5 billion naira for them to settle them to go. Emelife release money to them without approval. They release money to them without approval. They think to go buy more arms. That's why God will continue to chastise him, Emelife. Passing sense without passing sense. El-Rufai continue paying the money, allowances. There was a time when he broke, he said, I'm not paying again. They said, okay, we make Kaduna ungovernable for you. So what that man said is reality. But I'm trying to take you back to tell you when it started. Now, let me tell you. Do you know, without the division of Nigeria, Boko Haram will not stop. Bandit will not stop. Kidnapping will not stop. Fulani herdsmen will not stop until Nigeria is divided. Because these people, they are not Nigerians, so they are not Fulani Nigerians. But the Fulani Nigerians are taking them to make money. The elite of Fulani Nigerians are taking them to make money.